It worked!
Kato finally finished the bot he was working on.
Every experience is an opportunity for growth.
Sounds like an excuse to do nothing.
People are a bit more complicated than machines.
I was right about you, Clank. You're all the same.
Don't you dare try to take him from me again.
This is insane! The behemoth is loose.
There is no one else, little one. Only you.